For today we're going to be making up an old Imar models figure. So I found the molds out from my old figures and I thought I'll give them a go. So we're going to be doing a Xena warrior princess. So it's quite an old sculpt, probably not one of my cleanest, so it's going to need a bit of cleaning up. So the first job is going to be cleaning up the parts, just cutting any flash off with a knife. You see there's a little bit of flash there. And then it's going to be undercoating the figure, gluing it together, undercoating it, and then we can have a paint. So let's clean that up first. Okay, so we're going to paint Xena. As you can see, she's now undercoated in white. So we're going to use a speed painter. There we go, so we'll let that dry. I know it looks blotchy now, but it dries to a nice shaded flesh colour. And we'll come back and have a look. Okay, so we're just waiting for the leather to dry. I went over with dark wood army painter because it was just a little bit light. So what we're going to do now is paint her eyeballs. And just a little bit of white. This is the bit I hate. Okay, and then I'm going to paint her chakram and sword in black to give a base for when we go over in the gold and bronze, etc. Metallics always work better. Going over black. The sword's a bit bent, but it will straighten out. There we go. So the white is dry, we can do her blue eyes. Just using Macragge blue. With when we put the black on it, that will straighten all that out. Just let that dry. Okay. So we're going to we're going to paint the eyes. So basically a black line above. Can tidy that little bit of flesh up a little bit. And then a black dot on the pupil. There we go. Now I know Xena doesn't particularly wear lipstick, but I'm going to give a tiny bit of red shade it's focused on my hand. There we go. So a little bit tidying up on the eye, and then once that's the black's dry, we can start doing some metallics. Okay, so I've done the chakram and the sword, so I'm going to do a bit of white dry brushing over the uniform, just bring up some detail, and then probably flock the the base with some grass or something. Then we'll come back and see what she's like finished. Okay, so that's Xena finished. So she came out quite well. Obviously the moulds are showing their age from when I sculpted it. It was a few years back. Oh, I forgot to paint her upper armband there. Let me do that now. Okay, painted up a bit. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with her, the way she came out. If you fancy having a go at one of these figures, I'm going to do a limited run of the kit, at least until the moulds give out. So I'll put the link in the description for that. Basically go to my New Monday account page, and they'll be there along with Gabrielle, Aries. Who else did I do? I don't think I did a Joxer, but whatever molds I've still got, I can do some figures from. But yeah, I was quite pleased with that one. If you want to see more Xena figures, let me know, or more of my Imar figures. I've got a Evil Dead 2 Ash figure. That'll probably be the next one I make, but if you want to see that, if you want me to video it, let me know. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can. We've got a Patreon account now, so if you want to help the channel out, please see the link in the description, and I'll see you again next time. So from Xena and me, thanks then, bye.